The name of the show is Hooray for Hollywood.
Liza, what is this show about?
It's about an hour and a half.
Louis Armstrong, Frank Sinatra, Bing Crosby, Grace Kelly. I fell in love with all of it.
West Side Story, City of Stars from La La Land, some Fred Astaire. We're going to do Cheek to Cheek.
Just having the piano and us,
Yeah.
it's very nimble, isn't it?
There is a real sort of slight anarchic freedom to what we do because it's always unexpected. It's always
Are you saying I play the wrong notes? in that?
slightly.
Describe this show, Hooray for Hollywood, in one word.
Lively,
Cinematic.
sparky,
Romantic.
funny,
Sneezy. Dopey.
beautiful.
Come
And
see
us
in
Hooray.
Ray. Come
And
see
us
in
Hooray.
Ray. No, stop saying Ray. Come
And
see
us
in Ray.
for
Hollywood.
Woo! Come and see us in Hooray for Hollywood.
Come and see us in Hollywood.